Hari Om children, this is sum number 4 in exercise number 7.3. A solid consisting of a right circular cone of height 12 centimeter and radius 6 centimeter standing on a hemisphere. A cylinder is there. Inside the cylinder, a right circular cone of height 12 centimeter. So I'll divide it into cone and this hemisphere. In this sum, cylinder will not be needed. Okay, I'll say you why. Now, right circular cone of height. So height of the cone is 12 centimeter. Okay, h is equal to 12 centimeter and the radius is 6 centimeter. Radius is equal to 6 centimeter. Is placed upright in a right circular cylinder full of water such that it touches the bottom. See, the cylinder is filled with water. Okay, the cylinder is filled with water. Now we are placing a solid cone surmounted by a hemisphere. A solid hemisphere surmounted by a cone. Okay. Inside the cylinder, so that the water, some amount of water will be displaced if you put this solid inside the cylinder. So they are asking, find the volume of the water displaced. The particular amount of water will be displaced. No, we are supposed to find out the volume of the water which was displaced outside the cylinder when this solid is immersed inside the cylindrical vessel. Is that clear, children? So now the radius, find the volume of the water displaced out of the cylinder. If the radius of the cylinder is 6 centimeter, so radius of the cylinder is also given 6 centimeter, and the height is total height is given. Okay, total height, that is the height of the cylinder. Height is 18 centimeter. Now, how you will find the volume of the water displaced? The amount of water displaced will be equivalent to the weight of this solid which is immersed inside the liquid. Okay. So, volume of water displaced is equal to volume of the cone plus volume of the hemisphere. Volume of cone plus volume of hemisphere. Okay, children. What is volume of the cone formula? 1 by 3 pi r squared h. Plus volume of hemisphere formula 2 by 3 pi r cube. Cubic units. So for cone I need radius and height. Radius and height is there. For hemisphere I need radius alone. Okay. So radius alone means for hemisphere and the cone same radius only will be there. So r is equal to 6 centimeter. Now we are not going to use cylinder measurement and all. So you can leave it as such. Okay. Now which is equal to 1 by 3 I can take common. 1 by 3 if I take common, remaining 2 I will write it inside the bracket. Okay. Pi is common. R is common for both. So r squared I will take it outside. The remaining will be inside the bracket. 1 by 3 pi r squared is outside the bracket. H plus 1 by 3 is already outside. Remaining 2 will be there. And pi r squared is outside the bracket. So remaining r will be there. Okay. You must be careful while substituting. Into 22 by 7 into r squared is 6 into 6. H plus 2r. H is for the cone. It is 12. Plus 2 into r is 6. So there is 3 and 6 to be cancelled. How many times? 2 times. Now the remaining will be 22 into 6 into 2. The whole divided by 7 into 12 plus 6 2s are 12 again. So 22 into 6 2s are 12. 12 plus 12 is 24. The whole divided by 7. So it cannot be cancelled. Shall we multiply it? 22 into 12. 2 2s are 4. 2 2s are 4. 1 2 is 2. 1 2 is 2. 6 2 into 24. 6 4s are 24. 25 balance 2. 4 2s are 8. 9 10. 4 2s are 8. 6 2s are 12. Balance 1. 2 2s are 4. 4 plus 1 5. 6 13 3 6. 6 3 3 6 divided by 7. We shall cancel in 7th table. 9 7s are 63. 0, it is 36. 5 7s are 35. Remainder 1. 10. 1 7 is 7. Remainder 3. 30. 7 3s are 21. 7 4s are 28. Balance 2 20. 2 times 14. Balance 6 60. 8 times 56. Balance 4 40. 5 times 35. Will stop here. So the answer will be 905.14285. We are going to round it off now. When you round off, you will get plus 1 here. So 905.1429. Again round off, plus 1. 905.143. You will cancel it. Your answer, volume of the water displaced. Volume of the water displaced equals 905.14 centimeter cube. So that's all about sum number 4. Hari Om.